Hello everyone, my name is Shania Arias and today I will be telling you about this lovely design by My Girl Dress. Just look at this delightful design. It is made of tulle and lace. Here you have the cap sleeves with the white bodice, the detachable sash equipped with the little flower and the diamond. The dresses also come fully lined with the petticoat to create that fullness that we all desire for our little one. And in the back, we have the center back zipper for easy access, and we have the larger than life size bow that will make your girl the center of attention for any First Communion, Easter, or wedding. For this dress and many other items just like it for First Communion, Easter, and weddings, please visit us at www.mygirldress.com.